All right, guys, what comes in a 2022 Beta Motorcycles toolkit? This is the 200. This toolkit came with the 200 Race Edition. I did a video like this a year or so ago, and everybody seemed to like it. It got a lot of views, so I'm going to do another. Okay, so we have our basic Phillips screwdriver. Swaps it over to a flathead on the other side. I'm normally not a fan of these little cheapies, but this one actually seems to be made pretty well. Here we have our axle nut wrench, which appears it does some other things as well, and I'm not even sure. I'd have to read the manual to tell you. You get a double-ended wrench. That's a 10 and a 13. You get some pliers, and it would be cool if they were Beta branded, but it does not appear they are. They're just red-handled pliers and cutters. You get a couple Allen wrenches. Cool thing about those is they are labeled, so a 5mm and a 4mm. Cool. This is like a little hex driver for your sockets. You get the 8. You also get a 10. And you also get a Torx, that's a T45. So even if you're a KTM guy, if you got KTMs as well, T45 is probably the most popular Torx you're going to use on your KTMs. I lose my T45 all the time. It's like the 10mm of Torx. So yeah, guys, I mean, not any kind of crazy value here, but definitely worth it. Definitely cool that they include this with a Race Edition dirt bike when most of the other manufacturers don't. So that's what you get in your 2022 Beta. And I would assume this is probably the same thing you get with the 4-strokes or close, but can't confirm that because I haven't unpacked one yet. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.